Okay, hi everyone. First time. As you can see, hello. First time I'm actually introducing myself into the vlog, but going out for dinner at Artistry, and this is what I'm wearing. My cute little wig. Yeah, that actually happened. Yeah, my name is Joy. Hi, for those who don't know me. So, the reason why I actually decided to do a staycation, number one is the girl needed a break. It's the reason why I actually chose something like this is because on this YouTube channel, you can actually expect me to, travel a few places, whether it's in the country or even abroad. I love traveling, like really love traveling, okay? I don't even mind traveling alone. That's how much I like traveling. If you haven't checked it out yet, that will probably be, I think, the first travel vlog that I'll post. It will be the Ghana vlog that I actually solo tripped. I know. The girl solo tripped in December in Ghana. I know. But anyway, so definitely be sure to check that out. The moral of the story is the girl likes to travel, and I will take you with me, whether it is a very cool event that I'm going to or just me, enjoying life and being and experiencing life through the joyous eyes that is mine. I really look forward to taking you on this journey with me, and I'm excited for what we are about to do. Ooh, do the joy dance. For those who are traveling from outside of Johannesburg, I would highly recommend this place because of the location. You are super central within the vicinity, okay, of Sandton. But it's literally 2 streets, I think, away from the Sandton Convention Center, Nelson Mandela Square, and then obviously Sandton City. There's a very nice restaurant called Artistry at like the rooftop. Interesting to note, each apartment actually has like a custom art piece, as you can see, so that is quite cool. But yeah, super hip. I love the tones of like gray, natural woods, very like textured, like carpets, super cozy couch, okay? But I would highly recommend it. It's also a nice kitchenette in there. Everything that you need for like a 1 night, 2 night, whatever stay you actually have. So good morning, everyone. I'm actually off to breakfast. Yay! morning, everyone. Count on me to have some takeaway.
When I got at least 10 people, you ever seen somebody live? Amen, we're gonna wait. Amen. Amen. Y'all, amen. Just say what you gotta say. Tell them, say what you gotta. See, here's the thing about this scrolling stuff. It's a social feed. It feeds the craving of attention. And we can't be planted because we keep feeding ourselves every day. I'm talking about sit on the toilet till your legs start falling asleep. Like you doing this, your legs staticking because you're feeding. I think I'm playing. I know I'm telling the truth. It keeps you from giving birth. So instead of you feeding your spirit, you're feeding the craving of attention. Notice it next time you post on your feed.